Here's how you set up your wavelength products. Your sensor should have already been paired out of the box. If you need to repair, change the tune, or add a motion sensor or receiver, follow these steps. Press the up tune or down tune button to select your tune. There are 58 tunes to choose from. Press the volume button on the receiver to cycle through the 5 volume levels, including mute mode. Here is how you pair the motion sensor. Press the volume and down tune button together and then release them afterwards to put your device in pairing mode. Once you slide the switch up to the on position, then your device should automatically pair. Here is how you pair the door sensor. Press the volume and down tune button together and then release them afterwards to put your device in pairing mode. Trigger the transmitter by separating the two parts of the transmitter while the LED on the receiver is still flashing. The transmitter needs to be triggered within 5 seconds or before the second pairing sound. The pairing sound is the best and only indicator that you've pressed the right buttons and that it's in pairing mode. Press and hold the down tune button to reset all settings. That covers everything you need to know about owning and operating your wavelength product. Thanks for watching!